Bro. I'm trying not to crash while showing y'all everything. What's going on, boys? Back again with another POV. This is a quick little evening drive in my 2016 340i. If it's your first time seeing my video, this thing is on stage 2 high pressure fuel pump with MHD. So stage 2 plus, I'm running the TU pump with XHP Stage 3 transmission tune. But yeah, that's about it. Right now the car is gutted because I'm doing some work, but it's getting dark. I want to do the POV before it gets too dark out. Shit, I almost tripped. But yeah, let me just get going right now before it gets dark. I want y'all to be able to see because I don't like the night POVs. I feel like it's too dark sometimes. So yeah, this is my car though. It's gutted right now. Got the stars. Y'all barely see the stars because it's above me. But yeah, let's get going, bro. But yeah, I'm probably gonna title this video something like sliding every corner in my 340i because I did X delete recently, and bro, this thing is so much more fun. But yeah, my last car was F30 335. That was rear wheel drive and I preferred that car. It was slower though. It was stage 2 plus, but it was slower because it was the N55. And yeah, I like the fact that car was rear wheel drive. That's one thing I missed a lot. So I got the X delete on this and man, this thing is fun, bro. No like hazards, no nothing. Ooh, I forgot one thing, bro. Let me get the mic going for y'all. Let me get the front mount mic because I have my mic up there. Y'all probably saw it in the clip just now. Let me get that running because I record on my phone to get the audio for the mic. So yeah, let me get that running real quick. It'll sound better. Y'all should be hearing the intake and the turbo a lot more. I did not expect it to be this busy down here, bro. I can't lie. We'll be out of the traffic soon though. Once I turn right, I think I go left after that, and then we gonna be out of all this. Damn, bro, come on. See right there, X drive, we just hook and go. But rear wheel drive, you gotta know what you do. That's the fun part though. It makes it so much more fun driving. I know I'm gonna probably run this thing rear wheel drive until it starts snowing. Or until someone beats me from the light. But it is so much more fun though. I think my next car has to be a rear wheel drive. That's why I say like, my next car has to be an F82, or it has to be an F82 or F80, bro. I don't know, I need the rear wheel drive. The X drive is fun though, don't get me wrong, because at the drag strip and stuff, like, see, that's the good part about the 340. Like, I can bring it to the drag strip, run a good time and all that, but like, it's just not, you know, you can't go drifting and all that, bro, like MM. So That's the difference. It is fun though. So for now, I mean, I have the best of both worlds because I have the X delete. Only thing, this is an open diff. So y'all know I can't be doing nothing too crazy, but bro, it is already dark out. Crazy. Let me turn my light back on. Yeah, the right lane, the worst lane to be in, bro. I don't even know I'm in this lane. It's because I'm turning soon though. Look at this guy, like, bro, where you want me to go now? Like, that's a dumb shit. Like, all that bullshit. I feel like that guy, like, why you down, bro? People be making me mad, bro. I road rage so much, I swear. It's because of my videos. I try to keep it chill, but now I'm a road rager low key. But y'all see how much my tire is spinning, bro. Like once I step on it, that thing's spinning. And I'm getting new wheels though. That's why I don't even care that much. It's probably eating my tires up, but it's cool. I'm gonna show you guys from like from a dig, like something like this. Y'all see how my car used to pull. So I'm gonna show y'all like how it pulls now from a dig. Not right here though, because too much people. I feel like there can be a cop behind me or something. But yeah, I'm gonna show y'all once there's no traffic though. Like that thing's crazy. I didn't spin right there because I wasn't trying to go fast or nothing. I was just trying to get in front of all these people. Where am I going, bro? Okay, this is where I wanted to be. But it just took me a different route to get here. I bet. Like, bro. Supra. Yo, look at the view. Crazy. I'm trying not to crash while showing y'all everything. Drive is so much more fun, bro. Like I'm definitely gonna be rocking this light till it starts snowing. Like I said that before, but damn, this is fun, bro. It's so much more engaging. You know, you gotta know how to drive though. That's the thing. Why is this guy in my lane, bro? Like, people cannot drive today. But yeah, that's the thing. Oh shit, let me just put back home in the address. Shit. Yeah, I just put some random place down here and I'm just going right back home. I just wanted to come out for a drive tonight. You know what, let me turn right here. Fuck it. Suddenly turned into a nighttime POV, but hey, we gonna have to make it work. Okay, we're rolling. I'm surprised, like, that phone isn't even connected to Wi-Fi. That's my second phone. I never use that thing. Y'all hear how squeaky my thing is? It's because these wheels, like, it's 255s and it's rubbing on my strut tower. That's why y'all are hearing that squeaky sound. So soon enough it won't be. I can't do nothing about it right now. I don't know why it didn't squeak that much at first. It just started to do it more. But let me stop all this noise before, like this guy got his headphones on, imagine. But yeah, let me stop all this noise before a cop hears me. My bro ain't got no clue what's going on. He crosses the street, he ain't even looking. But I mean, I shouldn't be doing that either. So it's 50-50, bro. Okay, yeah, I'm about to Oof, this guy today. That was such a loud pop. Camera doesn't do justice though. Not even close. Like everyone that's been in my car, like they're like, bro, like the videos don't do justice. And it's the same for any car. Like everyone's car that I've been in, seen it on camera before, there's no damn. What's this? Oh, Kia. It looks like an M. Wait, hold up. Hell no, that's a oh, it's an 850i. That shit clean. Damn. I'm trying to get in front of the Beamer though, because I want to show y'all this view. Listen to my pops, bro. You a BMW too. Some Beamers don't use blinkers. Me, I always got mine on. You probably thinking my pops are so childish. I low-key don't even like pops that much. I thought the view was over there. I don't know the city yet, but look at the view up there though. Yeah, I don't mess with pops that much though, no more. Like just a few after like I let off, but nothing too crazy. I can make it pop when I want. Like if I hit the gas pedal at a certain RPM, like it can pop, because that's what I set it as. But yeah, I don't be doing that too much in my videos. If I wanted to pop, that's the good thing about my setting. Like if I don't want it to pop, it won't pop. If I want it to pop, it will. That shit's clean, bro. Damn. Big 850i. Yeah, I mess with those. Like if I just you see how much more fun that is? If it's like, if it's an all-wheel drive right now, like X drive, I'm just one line. It's quick though, but that's just so much more fun, bro, in my opinion, personally. So having the best, like the new M's, that's a good thing. The new M's are the best, because like the G82s, G80s, those are the best, because you can just switch it in the car. But I don't got money for those, bro. Like, hell nah, I gotta be F82 after this. Any day, bro. Ooh, let me scoot over. Appreciate you, gang. Bro, that's third gear, by the way. Like, that thing's crazy, bro.